Hey guys, how you doing? So we've already had a sneak peek of day one, of what goes on day one of the foundation course, and now we're just going to have a little insight as into what it is that goes on day two of foundation. So I'm just going to run that right by you right now. Now, if for whatever reason you actually missed the sneak peek of day one, you can actually catch it on my events page on Facebook, and you can also catch it on my YouTube channel, Helen Christodoulou. So guys, here's sneak peeks for day two. So we're going to have a look at the basic template of a healing, which means that it's the structure of how it is that you would apply healing upon yourself or perhaps healing upon another. We're going to do some basic healing. We're actually going to go through some basic healing for the harmonic focal points, which is the chakras, just like that little guy, girl thing that you can see just above me right there. Then we're going to run through a basic healing through the human energy field. We're also going to learn how to space clear for low vibrational objects and foreign debris. Okay, so that's energy stuff. You know, if we feel like we're being attacked, if we feel like something malevolent is penetrating our space in any way, we actually learn how to address all of that. Then we go on to actually looking at space clearing processes. Hey, words and phrases, what's up? So clearing space is also very, very important, and you also learn how to do that from a distance, but that comes further on along the course. Then we start to look at the elements or the tools of the actual human energy field. So what is it actually made up of? You know, which colours, which vibrations, which frequencies? How's it going in Arizona this morning? It's a fine day in Limassol today. I'm glad that you're well. So yes, we will look at the tools and discuss what it is that we need to do to correct the human energy field. Then we start to look at, that's fantastic, glad to hear it, honey. Then we look at things like sound charts and colour charts, and so we look at the properties of each of those in great depth. And then we get into the real crux of things. We look at the 7 tools that are required to detach a situation or detach from a situation. Thanks so much for sharing on. I really do appreciate that. And we look at, yes, detaching. We look at the tools that we can use for transforming a situation. And then we also apply what is known as space reinforcement. So when we reinforce something, what happens is we actually correct something so that it maintains and sustains its position in our space for either a greater duration of time, or it means that we're allowed to sustain it over a duration of time. So perhaps something might come, it may go, but eventually we're able to sustain it. So that's the purpose of reinforcing a situation. Then we start to explore and discuss body language. We discuss the archetypes, creation, and its purpose. So guys, that is all day 2 stuff of the foundation class. If you're interested in foundation class, nip over to my Facebook. My author page is Helen Christodoulou. Like the page and like the event if you want to. And if you want to join in, it will be towards the end of this month. Day 3 of foundation will be coming at you very soon. Not today, perhaps tomorrow. Oh no, not tomorrow. I'm actually in Nicosia, where you'll be getting more sneak peeks because I'm actually going to be presenting this weekend. So we'll have sneak peeks of that. Then we'll resume sneak peeks of foundation as of Monday. So don't forget to follow here on Periscope and subscribe to my YouTube page, Helen Christodoulou. So guys, have a really sweet day, a sweet weekend. Happy 11/11. If you didn't watch that prior to this, then don't forget to go back and watch it. It's up on YouTube and it's also on Twitter. Thanks for watching. See you again. Take care. Be marvellous. Ciao.